Hello friend, welcome back. In our previous video, I have discussed about the JavaScript function, right? So now in this video, I want to discuss about one of the most important things that will be as a template literals. Okay, I make it as a template literals. Great. So in previous, what exactly I have done? Like I take one of the variable, I name it as a name variable, and here before I pass one of the value as a Ariyan, and after that, if you want to display this value, then what exactly we have to do? We have to run the console and then log. Right, with the console log, here I pass one of the string value. I pass one of the string value as a my name. Okay, my name is Ariyan or something, whatever you choose. So we can actually use it in here. My name is after that plus our this property, the variable name as a name. So if you want to pass it, then automatically that will be display. So before, I have already discussed about that things with you. Here that will be in here. Now click as a save all. And now if you go click as a refresh, now it's now display as a my name is Ariyan. So our this string value is display. If you want to change it as a Kazi, then that will be display as a Kazi, right? If you refresh, then that will be display as a Kazi. So before, I have already discussed about that things with you. Right now I want to do the same things with using these template literals, and with these template literals we will actually create some of the string value. So for doing this, you have to do, I want to do and to simply here I want to better remove this part only. Okay, I want to remove this part, and then I declare one of the variable name as a Kazi, right? And then the console log, with this console log, when you use that as a template literals, then that will be as a backtick, not this fast code. I want to do and to close it, and also close it. So here that will be one of the backtick sign, and here I want to do and to use it. Okay, and also I want to do and to close this backtick. Great. And after that, here if you want to display our this name, that means our variable name, if you want to display it, then you have to do first of all, that will be one of the dollar sign and then the curly bracket, and into this curly bracket area, here you have to pass your this name, that means our variable value name. I take it with this variable as a name, that will be as a name. Okay, simply I pass it in here. Our result will be just like that same. If you click as a save also, friend, just understand, okay, just understand all that functionality. We'll use everything in our project. And now if you refresh it, now you can see our result is the same as a my name is Kazi. If you want to change it as a Jack, and then that will be display as a Jack. Click as a save all, and now refresh it. Now you can see it's now display as a my name is Jack. And also here we pass some of the value, that means string value, like I show you. Here we can also add some of the function, like I take another one as a console log. So with this backtick, we can actually do a lot of work. Then that will be as a backtick. That is our backtick. And here I want to do and to pass, like as I want to add two of this value data. So that will be as a dollar sign. Into this dollar sign, the curly bracket, I make it as a 30. Okay, 30, and then 30 plus 20. So I simply add both of this in here. Now that should be print our this value. Okay, that means our total add value. Click as a save all, and now if you go click as a refresh, you can see it's now display as a 50. And also there is the multiple application. You can actually use it with the template literals. Like I show you, I want to show another one. I take another variable as a message. Okay, I take another variable as a message, and I just put that name that I have done before. I put one of the value as a my name is Kazi Ariyan. Okay, I put some of the value like that things. And now if you want to display it, that will be the console and then console log, and then our message, right? That will be our message. So now this message should be display. Now click as a save all. Now if you refresh it, you can see it's now display as a my name is Kazi Ariyan. So now that is display like that way. And here if you want to add some of the bracket, like my name is, and after that I want to add some of the bracket, that means that will be restarted from to the new line. Okay, right now that is you can see now that is actually in same line, but I want to make it as a after that will be another new line. So it's very easy. There is another syntax as a slash. Okay, that means that will be as a backslash n. So if you use that this syntax, then automatically that will be as a new line. Click as a save all, And now if you refresh it, now you can see it's now started with the new line. So now I want to use the same things with using that template literals. So how can do that work very easily? I show you. It's very easy. So I want to first of all change that as a backtick. I make it as a backtick started and backtick ended. So when you use that backtick here, we don't need to pass this type of the syntax. I simply remove it. Only you have to do if you add that as an enter, that is a one line. If you also want to add another line, then automatically that will be another line. If you click as a save all, now go there, click as a refresh, you can see this my name is Kazi and space, and there is a new line started as a Ariyan. So it's very simple if you use that as a template literals. I hope you get some of the idea about the template literals. So friend, don't worry, that is not much deep work. This is very simple, all that functionality. Just touch all that functionality and also practice it and remember it, okay friend, because in our project we'll use template literals a lot of the time, so that will be very much helpful to you. Make that sure you understand that part. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.